Gaming session at risk because of the Unity Engine Networking Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'll show you the engineering-grade steps to fix your installation. For professional-grade Unity Engine Networking Module maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Unity Engine Networking Module, the core execution library for Unity's legacy UNet networking system. While deprecated, it is still required by thousands of Unity games released between 2015 and 2022. If missing, the game will fail to initialize its multiplayer engine, reporting networking module not found. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is a Windows System Integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like rasmon-tr library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Unity Engine Networking Module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Keep in mind that rasmon-tr library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes Unity Engine Networking module-related documentation. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Unity Engine Networking module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.